Everybody, on this video, we'll talk about date function in DAX. It returns a specified date in date-time format. The syntax would look like this. You specify the year, followed by comma, month, comma, day, and there's a specific pattern that how you should enter the year. It should be a 4-digit year. If not, it will give you date in the if you use a 2-digit year, it will give you dates in the 1900s. The other thing that should be noted if is the month should be between 1 to 12. If you have a higher number in the month, it'll add it to the year, and days should be between 1 and 31. If higher, then it'll add to the next month. So let's look some examples on that. So let me create a measure. We can call it date equals date or parentheses. So it also gives you the syntax. So let's say 2023, 12/23. So it already has a date. Date example. Date example. So yeah, over to the canvas and let's put it on the card. All right, so basically it gave us, open that, example, 2023, 12/23. So it's on what we entered is YYYY and what it returned here is MMDDYYY. And on all dates, it appends at 12 a.m. at the end. All right, so what I was saying earlier was if we enter something like only 23 instead of 2023, it will give us a date start in the 1923. So that's how it works. So it's always safe to use a 4-digit year. All right, let's revert back. And if you put, let's say for 12/23/2023, that's our value currently. If you use 13 in the month placeholder, you'll get that date to add the year. So 1 month to add it to the year. So it'll give us 2024 dates. And the same concept applies in the day as well. So let's revert it back to 12/23 and let's put 31 in the day column. So it's still a valid date because it's valid from 1 to 31. If you do a 32, then it'll give us the next day, so which is the 1st of 2024. So yeah, those are the basic concepts in here. It should be pretty simple. Let's go to the next function, which is the year function, which is also a very straightforward function. It extracts the year part out of the datetime in a 4-digit format. So if we are looking some examples on that, so year equals, so function is year and it expects a date. So we can do today. It's an example. Here, let's print this and here, put it in the card. So it got 2023 out of today, which is today is, let's see what's today. Let me bring in today. Canvas might be taking the whole real estate here. Let me make it smaller. All right, today is 12/24, 2023, and it just got the year part out of that, which is the 2023. So fair enough. All right, the next function is the month function, which is basically extracting the month part of the year, a number from 1 to 12. So 1 means January and 12 means December. So we can see an example of that as well. We can basically copy, we'll see visuals. All right, so if you look into, this is a date, and if I'm to extract the month out of this, I can basically create a new measure. Month equals month of today. Let's put in the card as well. So it extracts the month, which is December, right? So the next is day. Day returns the day of the month, number from 1 to 31. So let's copy the same concept here. All right, so if we were to see the month, not the month, but day, expects a date, which is today for us, which is already calculated measure. So this is the day, so which is the 24th in this case. So it's a pretty simple functions. This is the date. To summarize, it's a date. You provide 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and a day, and it basically locks in that value in a datetime format. Then it's the opposite. So you extract the year part of a date, and it gives you a 4-digit number. So month is you extract 2-digit 1 to 12 day month that can be either 1 or 12, 1 to 12, and you extract day, which can be from 1 to 31 from a date or date time as well. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.